So we're here tonight with Tatiana and Vitalie with their children, Alice and Eugene. And a lot of people ask us, why do children get checked by a chiropractor? And this is a classic example of how chiropractic can benefit children and families as well. So Tatiana, tell us a little bit about what it was like for Alice before she started care here in this office.
So Alice was burping a lot since her third day of life. She was crying when I put her to breast, and I was able to breastfeed her only during the sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And we hoped that when we start the solid food, the burp will go away, but it didn't. So we was looking for help, and then we found your office, and we came, and we noticed the change after the third or fourth visit. She was eating better.
Mm-hmm.
She was not burping so much. She was not crying so much, and also we had the problem with her back. She was not able to sit, to lay down on her back. She was uncomfortable. She was crying, and after that we noticed that she was able to sleep on her back.
That's so awesome.
And laying down good on her back.
That's awesome. Wow. And what about Eugene? Tell us a little bit about Eugene.
Eugene was always constipated, even when he was a baby. And I think this was the problem which makes him like too excited. And he had problem controlling his emotions. And in the daycare, we always were complaining about that he was
not focusing.
Yeah, not focusing.
Yeah.
He's a smart boy, but he cannot focus.
Absolutely. And what is it like now? Like since he had an adjustment?
Now he can sit and
I now can focus myself now.
Yeah,
yes, you can.
Yeah.
And how about the constipation?
Yeah, and he's going like twice a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, you just adjusted mommy.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Now
that's amazing.
We are happy and they are happy.
Yeah. You know, I got to thank you guys, because it's an honor to take care of you and your family and to see these changes for them, because I know when they're better, that makes you guys feel better. And when you guys feel better, we know we feel better. So it's been a pleasure to take care of you guys, and we look forward to keeping you guys healthy and strong for years to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good job, Alice. Good job, Eugene.